2025 सुरू जालें आनी जानेवारीच्या 3ऱ्या आठवड्यान गोंयची टीम सुप्रीम कोर्टाच्या हियरिंगाक दिल्लीक गेली आनी टीम गेली ती म्हणून कशी तर लवाजमां घेवन गेली. तातूंत 5 टेक्निशियन आशिल्ले, 2 लिगल सेलाचे 2 एडवोकेट आशिल्ले. ते मुंबय गेले कोणाक तर धोंड आनी दुसरो पळय सिनियर कावन्सील आशिल्लो दरायस खंबाटा ताका असिस्ट करपाक. आनी 4 एडवोकेट गेले दिल्लीची केस हियरिंग येतात थंय सुप्रीम कोर्टान वचपाक. एकूण मेळून 5 टेक्निशियन, 4 लिगल एक्सपर्ट्स दिल्ली, 2 लिगल एक्सपर्ट्स गोंयच्यान मुंबय, 2 मुंबय सिनियर कावन्सील आनी दिल्लीचे 4 एडवोकेट जे ही केस पळयतात ती, हे सगळे मेळून 17 लोक ह्या केसीक वचून रवाना जाले. आनी जे एडवोकेट हांगच्यान दिल्लीक गेले किंवा मुंबय गेले ते बिझनेस क्लासान गेले. थंय ते गोवा सदनान रावना, तांकां रावपाक जायना. इतके एग्जॉस्ट जाता की तांकां बऱ्या बऱ्या हॉटेलांनीच रावचें पडटा. बरें बरें खाल्या शिवाय तांकां तशे विचारय सुचना. तांची जी रेम्युनरेशन आसा तेंय खूब आसा. आनी हे सगळे जर पळयले आसत जाल्यार गोंय सरकारान तांकां 117 नंबराचे केस आसतना लिस्टाचेर धाडलेच कित्याक असो प्रस्न येता. कित्याक कर्नाटकाचे लिगल एक्सपर्ट हे पावूंकच नाशिल्ले. म्हणजे कर्नाटकाक जे खबर आशिल्लें तें गोंयच्या गव्हर्मेंटाक कळना. दुसरें गोंयच्या गव्हर्मेंटाक हें सांगूंक जाय की पळय आमी इतके लोक धाडटात म्हादय वाचोवपाक. अशें करून लोकांक तांकां फटोवपाचें आसा. एक तर रिटेनर म्हणून आसा, त्या रिटेनराक आनी कितकेशेच लाखांनी रुपया पेमेंट आसा. आनी एक अजापाची गजाल म्हणजे आमचो जो चीफ इंजिनियर आसा तो कर्नाटकाचो. इतके सेक्युलर आमी, इतके ब्रॉड माइंडेड, ताका एक्सटेंशन दिवन दवरिल्लो आसा. हांव नक्की इतको तो एक्सपर्ट आसा की ताज्या शिवाय गोंयचें पान हलना. पयलींच्या काळान मास्तर लोक आमी महाराष्ट्रांतले आपयताले कित्याक भुरग्यांक शिकोवंक जाय म्हणून. हायस्कुलाक टिचर केरळांतल्यान येताले कित्याक गोंयांत शिकिल्ले टिचर्स नाशिल्ले म्हणून. आतांय आमचे कडेन एडवोकेट ना आनी आमचे कडेन लिगल एक्सपर्ट ना आनी आमचे कडेन इंजिनियर ना की आमकां कर्नाटकाचो मनीस आमचो चीफ इंजिनियर म्हणून दवरचो पडटा. हें सगळें जर पळयलें आसून हो कितें घोळ हाची कल्पना येना किंवा कल्पना आयल्यारय आमकां कळना भितर कितें लिपिल्लें आसा तें. बरें आमचे लोक वतात ते वताच. सिनियर एडवोकेट आसा पळय, सिनियर कावन्सील आसा पळय, ते मुंबयचे. ते दिल्लीचे कित्याक ना? दिल्लीन सिनियर कावन्सील ना. मुंबयचे जेन्ना सिनियर कावन्सील दिल्लीक वता तेन्ना परत तांकां हॉटेल चार्जीस दिवचे पडटा आनी ताका 5 स्टार हॉटेलान दवरचें पडटा. आनी जेन्ना केस येना तेन्ना तो व्हिडिओ कॉन्फरन्सिंग करतात ते मुंबयच्यानच. म्हणून 2 जाण जे आमचे पळय गोंयचे एडवोकेट आसतात ते असिस्ट करपाक मुंबय वतात, जे 2 ज्युनियर आसतात ते. आनी हो जो सगळो खर्च आसा तो मातसो त्रास जाता आयकुपाक आनी वाचपाकय खर्च ताजो. आनी हें सरकार करता फक्त दाखोवपाक की आमी म्हादय वाचोवपाक लागून खूब कितें तरी करता. हांगा एसेंब्लीन उत्तर आयिल्लें आसा की स्टेट स्पेंट 3.2 crore इन लीगल फीज ऑन म्हादय इन 5 years. आतां हो इतको खर्च करता की सामान्य मनशाक हांगा खर्च करूनय ताजो कांयच फायदो जायना. आमी सात्रे गेल्ले थंय ते आमकां एक शेतकार सांगता आमकां म्हादयची गरज ना. म्हादयची गरज ना तर कित्याक? म्हादयची जी अळसाण आसा तातूंत आमचे बागायती जाता. आम्ही पूण आयकणारी हसली. अरे म्हादयचें उदकच जर वळयलें आसत खंयची अशें म्हणून आमी ताका सांगलें. हाजो अर्थ तो जे उलयतालो तो हीज मास्टर्स वॉयस. ताका कोण तरी सांगता तेंच तो उलयता. हें जेन्ना अशें चलता तेन्ना खंय तरी खंत भोगता. कित्याक कितकेशाच जाग्याचेर उदक मेळना. आतां आमी पेपरांनी वाचत आसा हांगा उदक ना थंय ना, सत्तरींतय उदक ना. दुसरी गजाल की हाका सपोर्ट म्हणून जर ताणी टायगर रिझर्व केल्लो जाल्यार म्हादय वाचोवपाची जर तांकां आशिल्ली जाल्यार ते टायगर रिझर्वाचें हायकोर्टाचें वर्डिक्ट आयलें आसून ताच्या विरुद्ध सुप्रीम कोर्टान वचचें नाशिल्लें. ज्या अर्थान तें सुप्रीम कोर्टान केलां त्या अर्थान तांकां टायगर रिझर्व नाका. कारणां वेगळीं आनी ताजो जो म्हादयक मदत जातली आशिल्ली ती आज आमकां जायना. मोलें बॉर्डरीच्यान जवळ जवळ 2 किलोमीटर पयस म्हजे भाट आसा थंय पयर बिबटो आयलो. आमकां नाका आशिल्लो टायगर रिझर्व. सामान्य लोकांक बॉर्डरीच्या लोकांक भंय दिसतालो कित्याक घरान वाग येतले म्हणून. पूण जर टायगर रिझर्व करनासतनाच अशें जर बिबटे येवं लागले सामके भर वस्तीन पडटा तशें भाटान लोक रावता थंय जाल्यार ताज्या परस आशिल्लो बरो. टायगर रिझर्व केल्लो बरो. थंय तरी ते सगळीं जनावरां उरतलीं. आनी जर तुमी टायगर रिझर्व केलो ना जाल्यार फूड चेन बदलता. फूड चेंज बदलली जाल्यार नाका आशिल्ले प्राणी उपद्रवी प्राणी चड जाता. तशे उपद्रवी प्राणी आज चड जाले आनी ती म्हणजे खेती. आज नाल्लाचो दर खूब पावला. हाका कारण खेती जबाबदार. आनी खेती कित्याक चड जाल्या तर सरकार बाकीच्या जनावरांक आडावपाचो प्रयत्न म्हणजे ना नपश्यात जाल्या. ही खेत्यांक खावपाक पावना आनी खेत्यांक खावपाक रानांत जें जाय तें ना. कित्याक तर तें झाडां मारता. झाडां कित्याक मारता? तनमाराक लागून झाडां मारता. रस्ते रुंद करूंक जाय म्हणून झाडां मारता. रेल्वे ट्रॅकिंगाक जाय म्हणून झाडां मारता. अशीं झाडां मारीत गेल्या आनी झाडां मारीत गेल्ल्यान हे लोक वस्ती करतात आनी लोकांक त्रास करतात. हे जर आमकां थांबोवपाचें आसा सरकाराची जबाबदारी. आमकां फक्त तुमी शुद्ध वारो दियात, उदक दियात आनी आमच्यो जमनी आसा तश्यो सांबाळून दवरात. लोक जाय तें करून खावनी तांकां. इतकें जर सरकार करना आसत जाल्यार आमकां सरकाराचो उपयोगूच जायना अशें दिसता. जें कितें कोर्टान जालां ताच्या बद्दलची म्हायती म्हणजे सद्या अस्तित्वांत म्हादय आसा कारण लॉयरांक घेतिल्ले त्रास आनी डेडिकेशनान केल्लें काम ताजे बद्दल तेच सांगतले. ऑर्डर ताणें पयलीं तुमकां सांगिल्लें आसा पूण ते सांगतले.
Of January, 2 times this Madai matter was listed in the cause list. It was first item 117 and there was absolutely no chance of reaching. Thereafter, again it became 113, no chance. I told them the matter is not coming. I don't know why you are sending your advocates from Goa, Bombay and unnecessary money of public exchequer, that is taxpayers' money is being wasted by government. And public are being fooled, the matter is listed. 117 cannot come, it's a Supreme Court. Hardly 1-2 matters are decided. And these matters are taken only on regular hearing. Not miscellaneous. Miscellaneous day is always Monday and Friday, where 70 matters are taken care of, but not on regular day. As and when this matter will come, let me tell you, it will take at least 3 days, because not a small matter. Continuously, 3 days it will go, for which they must engage a senior most lawyer, which I told like Mukul Rohgi and all. Various Kambata and your Advocate General will no use. And let me tell you, you will lose if you continue with this. Earlier also I told them when the matter was going on Panchal Commission, press notes are being given and all, but you are going to lose because I was getting the feedback. Being present, there is no chance. And here, all bogus propaganda, we are winning. Digambar Kamath was telling Sagar Davdekar, yes, what Advocate Bhavani Shankar is said. We are winning, we are getting the one. I told him you take it in writing. Will never win. It is only because of Madai Bachao Abhiyan, which went to Supreme Court in 2005 and her continuously she fought that matter. And the last order of Madan Lokur and Gupta, because of that you are getting the benefit of Madai today. If that matter is vacated, Madan Lokur and this, then it will be all for Karnataka. And if this trend continues, it will be all for Karnataka. You take it in for writing. This government is fooling the public. And in the end, they will say what? We did all our best. Sending advocates, 5 crores rupees spent. What can we do? You want us to go and fight? So my request to this government is, please, and the public at large, please start an agitation. This is the right time to save Madai. Okay, public should bring pressure on the government. The concerned Subhash Puri, he doesn't know anything about this. Okay, because what is your advocate on the record doing? Advocate on the record should brief the government. Item is 117, cannot treat, so don't come. Karnataka people are coming, they are not coming. Because impossible 117 to reach. You are coming, staying in hotel, and your meter is on, and you are sending the bill to the government, and government tells, that's what I said, he doesn't have any knowledge about this. So unless you are serious about it, now I'll tell you solution for this. It is a challenge. Let them mention this matter now next week before the Chief Justice and get one particular date. Chief Justice should give us one day, any day. That they will not do because they want to keep this hanging bell. The meter is on, money is coming. Madai money, people of Goa are not getting. These people are getting money, water. Money, I will call it, money flow in their pockets. So something should be done. So if you are serious, please see that by this year itself, this matter is put to an end. And the way to put to an end is your council should first go, make an early hearing, ask for one day, and because it will go for 3 days and it will be always on regular days. Okay. So suppose it starts on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Thursday like Kaveri Commission. It went for 3 to 6 days because it's a thing. Otherwise, by this way, it is just wasting time, fooling the public, and the big this thing is making money. So hey, while sunshine, do something right now. Public should come forward, which they are trying. I was in Goa for last 8 days, and they were just telling, Sahib, what you are doing? We are not getting water. I said, unless you do something, it will not happen. Karnataka is sitting quietly. But one day Karnataka will ask for this, what is called MOF and all, to somehow or other make that plan, submit it to the concerned Environment Ministry. They will come and plead in Supreme Court, kindly this order of Justice Lokur and Gupta be modified because it's a huge amount they have spent and we may have the money, what is called water from this Madai to Karnataka. And Goa will say, oh, what can we do? You are this thing, you have challenged it in Panchal Commission. So please see that's a logical end. Just sitting, matter is not, is this not the way? So I don't know how these people are just taking it lightly. Goan people, all their MLAs, for instance, or the Vijay Sardesan should come forward and do something. Because you know, if it's not, unless you practically bring pressure on the government, and the government brings pressure on the central government, it will not happen. Because we should also move this thing, request the Supreme Court also the plight of the Goans. If you don't have water, this is the time. How the Kaveri matter was resolved? Because when this matter was earlier sued in the Supreme Court, you had absolutely no business to go for a commission. Because coming to an end, you are a good lawyer that time, K.K. Parashan, former Attorney General of India. Modi. Honestly, you went there and I told them why they are making this move to make money and to delay the matter. The Supreme Court is at all not responsible for this delay. It is the delay deliberately done by the government of Goa and not also by Karnataka. Because Karnataka said it's fine. At the proper time, we will somehow or other cite the thing. now Goa should start because the pinch is being felt by Goan people over here. That's what I met so many people and they told me we don't have water now, this, that. I said, what water now? You come together, make one force, strengthen it and then bring pressure on this government. Then only it can be resolved, not otherwise. Otherwise this will just go on, go on, go on. So far as Tiger Reserve, as say,
Yes.
tigers are moving, he will speak now.
उपेन पाटील
टायगर रिझर्वाची जी केस आसा ती हायकोर्टान डिसिजन दिल्लेले पूण अजून मेरेन गोवा सरकारान जे आसा ते संदर्भान जो निर्णय आसा तो घेवच्या बदलाक हो विषय जो आसा तो सर्वोच्च न्यायालयान येयल्लो आसा आनी सर्वोच्च न्यायालयान गोंयचे जे पिटिशन म्हणजे ह्या संदर्भान गोवा फाउंडेशनान जे पिटिशन फायल केल्लेले आसा तेची अजून मेरेन सुनावणी जावंक ना. एकंदर हो विषय इतल्या गुंतागुंतीचो जाल्लो आसा की गोवा सरकार टायगर कॉरिडॉर हो विषय मांडीत आसा आनी त्या टायगर कॉरिडॉराच्या माध्यमांतल्यान सध्या एकंदर जे कर्नाटकाक एनवायरमेंट क्लिअरन्सीस आनी वायल्ड लायफ क्लिअरन्सीस मेळपाक जाय आसल्यो त्यो तांकां मेळपाक थोडी अडचण निर्माण जाल्लेली आसा आनी जो मेरेन आमी हो जो विशय आसा त्या विशयाक जर प्राधान्य दिना टायगर रिझर्व जर गोंयांत जायना जाल्यार निश्चितपणान आमची केस जी आसा ही अत्यंत दुर्बल जातली. गोवा सरकार गेल्या 2 वर्सां हांगासर वाघ आसा काय ना त्याचे अस्तित्व आसा काय ना त्या संदर्भान माहिती मिडियाकूय दिवपाक तयार ना आनी आमच्या सारखे जेन्ना आरटीआयच्या माध्यमांतल्यान ती माहिती मागपाचो यत्न करता जाल्यार तांकांय ते दिवपाचो यत्न करिना आनी एकंदर ही परिस्थिती जी आसा ही खूप गुंतागुंतीची परिस्थिती जाल्ली आसा आनी गोवा सरकार जर ह्या गजालीचेर लक्ष व्यवस्थित दिना जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता की आमी ही जी केस जी आसा त्या केस हेच्या पयलीं ती दुर्बल जाल्लेली आसा आनी एकंदर ह्या सगळ्या गजालीक लागून तितून आनीक गोंयचे मोठ्या प्रमाणात नुकसान जावंक शकता.
दोतोरान जे सांगले पब्लीक एज्युटेशन म्हादय खातीर म्हाका दिसता मॅक्झिमम एज्युटेशन गोंयांत जाल्ली आसा आनी ती आमी केल्ली आसा. अंडर सेव गोवा सेव म्हादय फ्रंट लोक रस्त्यार आयिल्ले आसा आनी खूब म्हणजे 2022-23 स्पेशली फूल इयर एज्युटेशन जाल्लें. सुरवातूच जाली 16 जानेवारी 2023 साखळेच्यान पिर्डीच्यान आनी मागीर कंटिन्युअसली एज्युटेशनाक खूब म्हणजे मडगांवां जाली सगळ्याक जाल्ली आसा एज्युटेशन. सो पब्लीक एज्युकेशनूय कितले पर्यंत सक्सेसफूल जाता ताजेरूय आतां दुबाव आसा कित्याक अनलेस सो इनफॅक्ट 2 तरेची लढाई चालूच आसा. एक लिगल बॅटल म्हादय बचाव अभियानाचे मॅडमीन केन्नाच्यान चालू दवरला आनी आमी रस्त्यार देऊन ते आंदोलन फुडें व्हेल्लें आसा. एक्चुअली महेश हृदयनाथ आमी सगळ्यांनी कितलेशे लोक हातून आंदोलन आसा आनी ते सो दोनी सायडींतल्यान गोंयच्या हातूंतल्यान ते रिएक्शन सामकें स्ट्रॉंग गेल्लें आसा. सो आतां परत 2024 2025 परत आतां आंदोलन सुरवात करची पडटली अशें म्हाका दिसता.
The responsible for this episode is the government, right from Parika time till today. Government is not serious about resolving Madai. Let us be very clear about it. And I am telling you, if they don't seriously apply their mind, get the date fixed and do an end to this matter, we are going to lose this matter. Because the way the lawyers and all are being engaged, it is absolutely an exercise in futility. Okay, you must blast this government. They are not doing anything. Just having 18 lawyers, how many lawyers are required in Supreme Court? Only one lawyer is required to argue the matter. Another is to assist. What are 18 people doing? You are just giving them money for taking what is called help of their offices for no use. What are they? They are not required. Your advocate is the record is there to give this thing books to the arguing council. Your advocate general is there. Take another one more senior. What's for 18 law? And then let me tell you, is Supreme Court a trial court? Why the irrigation secretary on all these 4 people are being taken?
5 technicians.
Why? It is not a trial court. Nobody is going to question them.
बदामीक एक्चुअली आमी वचून घेराव घाल्लो
No.
ताका घेराव घाल्लो
It is
आनी
not
full
required.
is-
You are just
is
making a
continue.
show
Continue.
that so many people are like, what is the use of it? It's not, Supreme Court is not a trial court. Supreme Court, the lawyer concerned, your senior has to argue the matter, other side has to reply, and the judges will deliver the judgment. But you are not, application mind is not, you are not serious. Oh, but let us decide this. Let us go and take 1 day telling this, but the people over there are creating just give us 1 day, so it goes for 1 week. Like Kaveri Commission, it went for 3-4 days and then the matter is over. Unless you do that, it's just beating the bush. There's no sense what you are doing. Instead of agitation also, this is important step should government should take.
Basically, what I feel here, there has been agitation going on for a long time.
Yes.
Legal people, team has also been working. But there is an absence of political will, which is very much, because there has been some government, double engine government, there was a Congress government in Goa, Congress government in Karnataka, thereafter there was a BJP government now in Goa, now Congress government, but there was a same government was there, but there was no political will. And that's why this problem is lingering. And who is cashing on? It's like basically, आम्ही जे म्हणतात गिधाडा जे असतात ती गोंयकारचे रक्त मांस खाता आणि लोकांसर पडलेलं ना कित्या खातीर दे नॉट फेल्ट द पिंच. आता स्लोली स्कॅर्सिटी वॉटर सुरुवात झालेली आसा. जेन्ना तो पोटाक चिमटो येतलो, जेन्ना तो हंगर येतली, भूक लागतली, तेन्ना तो इश्यू पब्लीक इश्यू जातलो. आणि पब्लीक जेन्ना जशें श्रीलंकेक झालेले आसा तसे पब्लीक रस्त्यार येवन हे जी लोकशाहीची जी देवळां जी आसा न्हू ती देवळां आडवी करतले. हे राजेशाही तरेन जे वागता हे राजकारणी लोक सगळ्या पॉलिटिकल पार्टीचे नो मिस. whenever they come to power, they are in power, they are one color, they have one vision, one agenda. आणि एज इट इज ऑलरेडी गोवा म्हणतात ते काबार केलेले आसा. गोयची जी भूमी जी आसा न्हू आता भूमिपुत्र म्हणून काबार केलेले आसा. आणि एक मात्र जे आमचे जे उदक जे आसलेले आसा सावथाकूय लागतले, नॉर्थाक इमेजिट लागतली. आणि सध्या एक पणजी जाले हे पयलीं आसतना आमकां भंय आसलो मांडवीचे पणजी बेगीन बुडपाची शक्यता आसलेली, आतां बुडची ना. पण हे जी स्कॅर्सिटी वॉटर स्कॅर्सिटी जावन हाल जावन गोंयकारांचे हाल जातले आणि हो सर्वव्यापी हाल हे काळांतरान कळटले. आमकां ऑलरेडी बियेत लागलेले आसा. खरें ग्रहण लागतना अजून ते ग्रहण लागच्या पयलीं बेटर सेन्स प्रिवेल, लेट देर बी पॉलिटिकल वील. पॉलिटिकल मिटींग खुबश्यो जाल्यो बट देर वॉज नो सिरियस, फकाणां जाल्ल्या, सगळीं फकाणां जाल्ल्या. आतां अक्षरशः म्हणटा ते कायदो हातान घेवपाचो पाळी येयलेले आसा ह्या सरकारान. आनी जो पर्यंत ह्या सरकाराक जोड्यांनी मारिना तो पर्यंत हे जागेर वचचे ना. आनी ती पाळी ह्या सरकारान हाडची न्हू. आनी जो खेळ खंडोबा हे चल्ला सुप्रीम कोर्टान, एपेक्स कोर्ट ते जशें दोतोरान सांगला त्या प्रमाणे इट्स नॉट अ ट्रायल कोर्ट एंड इट्स स्ट्रेट जॅकेट केस. वयल्यान टायगर रिझर्वायर वयल्यान एक प्लस पॉयंट आसा. आनी कर्नाटका आज सुशागाद रावल्या मजा घेता. सो गोंयकारपण हांव आतां स्पेशली अपील करून सोदता, गोंयकारपण आमचो सरदेसाय साहेब खंय गेले तुजे, हे गेले गोंय घाटार. म्हणून आमी जागे जावपाक जाय उड्यांची. जेन्ना फुलांचे एजिटेशन जालें त्या टायमार जागेच जाय, गोंयकारांना जागेच जाय. आमचे गोंयचे भुमीचे कवी तांच्यांनी कविता केल्यो, कवनां केली. एक रणशिंग त्या टायमार पावले, तशें रणशिंग आतां उबारपाची वेळ येयलेली आसा. नाल्यार काळो तुका जबाब दितलो. दिस इज वॉट आय वूड लायक टू सबमीट.
वॉटर रिसोर्स मिनिस्टर म्हाका दिसता प्रेस कॉन्फरन्सीस घेता आनी तेन्ना सांगता की आमची गोंयची बाजू सामकी स्ट्रॉंग आसा म्हणून.
He has no knowledge about it, what is happening. He doesn't know what is advocate on record, what are his counsels doing, what is the evidence. He doesn't know. He just speaks.
आमचे सगळे मादळीचे इश्यू सामको स्ट्रॉंग आसा म्हणून प्रेसाक सदांच सांगता ते हांव म्हाका पळयता.
He was just told like earlier time.
तो तर कोर्टान जे चालू आसा ते म्हणटात, तुम्ही म्हणटात की कमी पडटा गोंय सरकार किंवा गोंय सरकार लेट करता. ही जरी सरकाराची बाजू किंवा ते कोर्टान मांडटा त्याची बाजू. म्हादय बचाव अभियाना अंतर्गत आत्ता प्रजा सरकारान दांडेकारान सांगले की 2025 परत सुरू करचे पडटलें एजिटेशन. एज अ म्हादय बचाव अभियान तुमची सध्या कितें तयारी चालू आहा?
No, I'll tell you. See, it's very simple. Because, first of all, our thing is that as and when matter comes, this is the matter which Madhai Bachao cannot participate. We are auxiliary because it's a water dispute. It's a matter between two states. You lost Panchal Commission, which I was telling them in the beginning as the proceedings were, you are not going to win because here is happening different thing. What is coming in Goa press is totally different, and you lost. Okay. Now, if you want, you can ask Sagar Zavadekar. And madam, I was telling them, your result is zero. It is just press notes being spread. You should publish the orders of the proceedings, which you are not. Number two, as you rightly said, what is the position of Madhai Bachao? Madhai Bachao was responsible in saving this Madhai river right from beginning, right from Chief Justice K.G. Balakrishnan, the last order of Lukur. Now we can't directly participate now because in water disputes, this Madhai Bachao has no role. When they will finish it, we will tell them as per this, because of Madhai Bachao order of this thing, the government of Karnataka is not in a position to do anything. That is why they have come to Supreme Court.
आम्ही कोर्टान माझो क्वेश्चन असलो की कोर्टान न्हू पण तुम्ही लोकांक जागे करपाक जाय म्हणटा त्याच्या खातीर तुम्ही कितें करतले का एज अ
लोकांक my earnest request, being the son of the soil, please right time you start the thing, bringing pressure on the government. This Madhai issue has been spoiled by none other than Congress government. He said it's not BJP. I will blame three persons for this Madhai Bachao Abhiyan. One is Digambar Kamath, okay, then Pratap Singh Rane, and the third one, he was this thing, Parikar. In a row, Pratap Singh Rane, Manohar Parikar, Digambar Kamath. Because had this been in Supreme Court, the suit was going on, by now it would have been over, like Kaveri matter, commission. You unnecessarily, when it's about to get an order, you are just requesting and coming to commission. Dattu and it was there before. Why Lodha? You a request. I objected that time because I was representing state. So he said, what business you are talking? When the state is moving, then where is the role of your environment department? I was representing environment. It was that time was Dr. Joshi, who was the chairman of environment, and Dr. Wilfred D'Souza, who was the minister of environment. So I said, I am on that, we have requested. He said, but state is saying, so where is this? Your role in this?
गव्हर्नमेंट म्हणतो प्रवाह असा प्रवाह
मीटिंग आसा त्या प्रभाव बट ते विल हॅपन पण म्हादय हिडकलचे उदक घुणाव नाका म्हणजेच ते म्हादयचे उदक भरतात आणि हिडकलचे म्हणजे कर्नाटकातलेय उदक भरतात खंय तर बेळगाव हुबळी धारवाड हाज्यापासून आणि ते सांगतात हाज्यापासून तुम्ही बेनी हल्ला न्हंयचे उदक वापरात कर्नाटकाकडे उदक ना अशें ना भरपूर आसा बेनी हल्लाचे उदक कित्याक ते वापरना तर तांणी ठरयलें आसतलें अशें की मेळटा तें घेवया मागीर आसा तें सांबाळून दवरलां तें वापरुया.
I tell you why I told you Congress government was blamed. Let my facts be clear. That time environment minister was Dr. Wilfred D'Souza. He came to Delhi and I am being his counsel. I accompanied him to that concerned minister of environment. So he told doctor, what are you talking? You were Rane's some relation. What is that fellow? And because of that, our hands are tied. One the minister, Deshpande ka Ghorpade, somebody like that. He told. Saifuddin Soos, the concerned central minister, told. So that is why I said Congress is to be blamed. Because his secretary made mess and Rane thereafter admitted without my knowledge. That is why I blame Congress. Thereafter, of course, it was BJP government.
But have we, when we accepted for a tribunal, another Prava, I think we lost the game there only almost, because we had to ask for 100% right. When it comes to tribunals, it is about distribution ultimately.
Correct.
They never take one side. They will always go for distribution. We, I think, lost there first.
Yeah.
But my political question is that this government keeps saying that they have a double engine. I remember they had triple engine also. The Karnataka also they had a government. But is it a bluff that has been called in the case of Madhai now?
Perfectly right.
Perfectly correct.
Perfectly right. Because when the BJP government was there and that Zavadekar was the Minister of Environment, Madam and all had gone over there. Okay. But they failed to tell them, here is the order passed by Madan Lukur and Gupta. And nobody showed them. And then he agreed, environment minister. And then after I was told, I said, one like you go and explain to him. And I had to go to Zavadekar and tell him. Then he said immediately stop to his man. Otherwise you will not, unless you bring to the notice, how you expect to them? You had taken 7-10 people over there and you had no courtesy to show that order. And in spite of that order, he would have passed direction and it would have been contempt made by the central government, because central government was represented in that matter by Solicitor General Ranjit Kumar. See, so Javadekar himself said, they came but they never told me like this. Then I said, it's okay.
इनफॅक्ट मागीर राजन गिरकर सर जेन्ना थंय वता तेन्ना ते जागे जातात मागीर रिएक्शन दिता इमिजिएट अशेंच चलना मागीर ते प्रेसार येता की ना काय घेवपाचें ना म्हणून
प्रवाह is not visiting them.
Yeah.
म्हणजे the site
Yes.
where the river is diverted. ताज्या हाऊस कमिटी आसा, ती हाऊस कमिटी कित्याक विजिट करना? आम्ही त्या दिसा तर सांगले की लेट हाऊस कमिटी विजिट. हाज्या बरोबर पयलींचे जस्टिस परदेन रिबेलोन सांगले बरोबर टेक्निशियनय घेवन वचा, आर्किटेक्ट घेवन वचा, हायड्रोलॉजिस्ट घेवन वचा, सगळ्यांनी वचून विजिट द प्लेस अँड लेट देम नो फर्स्ट एड गेट द फर्स्ट एड इन्फॉर्मेशन. हेही सरकार करना. राजेंद्र वता, म्हज्या सारकेल्या वता, इट बिकम्स प्रायव्हेट विजिट्स. ऑथेंटिसिटी असतली ना.
Clandestine plan or a unspoken plan of letting the neighboring state take
over.
Looks like happiest.
पण आता ही यहाँ पे मीटिंग आ गया मतलब पे इंस्पेक्शन so anything will come out of that.
Let us hope for the good. काय जावचें ना.
इन्स्पेक्शन जी आसा न्हू, आता इन्स्पेक्शनाची मागणी जी आसा ती जवळजवळ 2 वर्सां जाली गोवा सरकार करीत आसा. प्रवाहाच्या स्थापनेपासून प्रवाह विजिट करपाचे फाटले पण प्रवाहाच्या टिमीक ते घेऊन गेले, पण तेंच्यांनी हेतू पुरस्पर ज्या पॉइंटाचेर डायव्हर्शन जातले ते दाखोवंक ना. कर्नाटकान दिवंकूच ना, तांकां वचपाकूच दिवंक ना. आनी व्हरून दाखयले दुसऱ्या एंडाक जे उदक मलप्रभेच्या पात्रान वता ते दाखयले. म्हणजे आता सुद्धा ते प्रत्येक वेळा कर्नाटक आमचेर कुरघोडी करता. आमच्या जो प्रतिनिधी आसलो त्या प्रतिनिधीन व्यवस्थित बाजू मांडपाक जातली, ती बाजू मांडपाक तो अपयशी जालो आणि त्याचाच फायदो कर्नाटक घेत आसा. आता ही जी मिटींग आसा 4 मार्चा खातीर, 4 मार्चाच्या दिसा तेंच्यांनी जे सजेशन येयल्लें आसा गोवा सरकाराच्या की प्रवाहाच्या टिमीन विजिट करपाचे, तेचेर विचार जो आसा तो जातलो काय ना हेचेर निर्णय घेताले.
See, let me tell you, I came to know just now that meeting is there on 4th March and all. So unless all these lower things are solved, the Supreme Court can't hear this matter. How can you? Because the baby of this Prabha was created by Supreme Court, no? So Prabha has to give its decision or report, whatever it is, to the Supreme Court. Thereafter only Supreme Court can hear this. So why this matter was listed in January? Only to make money? This is absurd. But I came to know just now that a meeting is taking place. Unless you finish all your basics, the matter cannot be heard in Supreme Court. Then again you will tell the meeting is fixed. So before that only you can tell Supreme Court while making an application there is a meeting on 4th of March. So thereafter our matter can be just listed. Otherwise it is an exercise in futility. Because Prabha was created by Supreme Court. In the matter they will say, oh Supreme Court, where is that report of yours? No, it is in the...
तांचो अनेक पयली रिपोर्ट जाला.
No, forget about that. So
कोणाचो?
कसलोय असो, but someone has to challenge that.
परत पीएमक इझिली मेळटा ओवर दिस मॅटर. व्हॉट अबाउट आवर?
You bring pressure on this government. Say, and please tell them this matter if it is fixed on 4th. There was no point in sending 2 times teams to the Delhi for matter. How can Supreme Court hear the matter when the report final has not gone to Supreme Court?
ना फाटले खेप पाय प्रवाहाची मीटिंग जाल्ली and that report was manipulated by Karnataka government. तो ते दाखयतले आशिल्ले manipulated record of Karnataka government. सरकाराक काय लागून पडू ना.
That is what I am saying. So our government lawyers should tell that meeting is on 4th. Unless they give the report, How Supreme Court will it? You will get another date then.
सो दोतोर तुम्ही म्हणता की हे डिसाइड झाल्याशिवाय तिका सुप्रीम कोर्टाची
No,
फुडें वचूंक
because
शकना.
Prava, see, it has been appointed by Supreme Court, so they are responsible to submit that whatever you may say this report right, wrong, to the Supreme Court, and Supreme Court will decide about it after your argument whether Prava report is right or wrong. Because you have to take the technical objection. Unless you complete your basic, how the Supreme Court can hear it? It will be action.
भवानी शंकर